Rightio team. So, let's talk sprockets. As you can see, there is currently no sprocket on the countershaft there because I have just taken this off. This is a 13 tooth sprocket. Cost, what, under 20 bucks. Rode it once and honestly, hated it. I know everyone talks, well, a lot of people talk about 13 tooth sprocket being the best performance upgrade you can do to a CRF Rally, but yeah, I did not dig it. So I am putting on a stock geared 14 tooth. This is the 14 tooth I had on there originally, under 2000 Ks old, went on the same time as the sprocket and the chain, and yeah, it's not been fun. It's been a thing that's been weighing on me for a week or so since I rode the bike with the 13 tooth. If you want to look at the size difference, that's the difference in the sizes. Chuck the 13 on top of the 12. So, yeah. For me, there's, in the type of riding I do, it just doesn't make sense to keep the 13 tooth on there. I do a lot of highway Ks. I live in suburbia. To get to trails and fun gravel roads and stuff, I've got to do a decent amount of highway riding, and it just does not work for me having the bike geared that low. It was kind of fun, but the bike was also buzzy. It kind of felt gutless, and yeah, I feel like I've had to change it back. I can always throw this sprocket back on if I'm going to go and do some real tough riding, but honestly, the factory gearing's fine. It gets my fat ass around. For me, the biggest cons were the biggest con was the lack of highway speed, and the bike just felt like it had nothing above 100 kilometers an hour. It would get up to a maximum of 119, 120 on the GPS, and honestly, that's just not enough. Normally it'll get up to, I think I've had it on the GPS up to 138. So that's a massive reduction in top speed. The bike just had nothing left with the 13 tooth. So yeah, that's why it's going off. We'll whack the 14 on there and hopefully enjoy riding the bike again. So there we have it, team. That's where we're up to currently with the CRF250 Rally project. Tomorrow, as this video comes out on Monday, Tuesday, the Michelin trackers are finally going on. So I am really excited to get those on, take them for a blast around the test loop and see how they are. The Shinkos have done really well. I commend them. They're a really affordable and capable tyre considering the price. But yeah, the Michelin trackers, more premium tyre, way more knobby, and I'm sure they are going to get me through the winter season just fine. So stay tuned for the first impressions video of how that goes, and I will catch you then. Thanks very much for watching. See you then.